Greetings and welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. Today, another grilling video. We are making Cajun Butter Tri Tips. Oh yes, dear friends, it's time for some beef.
Beefs.
First thing we're gonna do is get the marinade together. It's about 2.5 hours before dinner. That's how long we're gonna have it marinating. For that marinade, I'm gonna tell you the ingredients, but not the amounts because I'm doubling this. If you want to know the ingredients, the amounts, and the directions, they're all down below in the description section, as always. All right, so into my bowl here goes soy sauce, olive oil, brown sugar, some nice stone ground mustard. To go with the Cajun theme, I'm using Zatarain's Cajun mustard. Cajun seasoning. Normally I have Tony Chachere's on hand, but we're going with something different. Everything we've had from Cattleman's Grill has been fantastic, so we're using some Cattleman's Grill Fusion, Cajun Fusion. Freshly chopped thyme. And then I need some garlic, but I don't have much garlic left in here. I have enough, but it's going to be hard to get out. I also need bourbon. So we'll just use the bourbon to wash out the garlic jar. Got some Woodward Reserve here. Only the fine stuff here at the Galley of the Sun. Call that half a cup. Ooh, I said an amount. Shh. Now we're gonna get this all mixed up. Normally I would pour this into a bag, but there's so much brown sugar in here, I wanna make sure that I get it good, especially since I don't have a long time to marinate. I wanna get it right. Just mix this up until you feel that the brown sugar is dissolved. Ooh, damn, that smells good. If you're a frequent viewer of the Galley of the Sun, you know that this is the most likely place I'm gonna screw up. I'm gonna remember it this time. I need to reserve about a cup and a half of this for the glaze. So we'll take that out now. And the rest goes into a Ziploc bag along with my two beautiful tri-tips. We're gonna get those in the refrigerator and then we'll work on the side dish and the glaze. We'll see you then. All right, the tri-tips have been marinating for about 2.5 hours. Now let's get them ready for the grill. So, gonna get these out of the bag. Then we're gonna simply hit them on each side with a little bit of salt and pepper. All right, let's get these out to the grill. All right, we got our beautiful steaks out here. The master plan is about 10 minutes on each side, but the bottom line is we want the internal temperature to get to about 130 degrees so we have a good medium rare after they rest. So we'll judge it as we go. All right, about 20 minutes of cooking and then it should be time to give them a rest and then get some judgment. We'll see you then. Okay, the tri-tips are up to temp. They're gonna rest for about 10 minutes. In the meantime, we'll make the glaze. So I poured the reserve marinade in a saucepan. I'm gonna get that on medium heat, bring it to a boil, then take it down to a simmer, let it reduce a little bit, then I'm gonna whisk in the butter. Then we'll be ready to carve and then be judged. There will be judgment. You'll see. All right, it is time for the judgment of Charlotte.
Okay, so I brought some pita bread with me so I could try some of that before the sauce and then try some of the sauce too.
Okay.
Okay, don't need to bite that big.
Is it Cajun-y? To me, it had a lot of soy sauce in it, so I wondered if it was going to be Cajun-y or not. But it did have that Cajun seasoning, that Cajun fusion from Cattleman's Grill.
I taste more of the soy. You get the little bit of Cajun seasoning in the rub, but there's an awful lot of soy.
Okay.
Okay. Now this is without the butter sauce, right?
Yes, that is correct.
Okay.
And here is the butter sauce.
Okay. The butter sauce is where the soy comes out. Mm-hmm. That has a little more Cajun-y flavor without the butter sauce.
All right. Is it good?
Yeah.
All right. There we go. Hey, a different way to do tri-tips. Tri-tips are amazing. Try every different way. We've made pastrami. We've done it with red wine. We've done a Mexican kind. We've done a Brazilian kind. It's always amazing. Hey, thank you so much for joining us today. And until we see you next time, fair winds and following seas.